natural disasters on Event Shock channel. You're welcome. Swiss floods leave 1 dead as Zermatt isolated. The Swiss government's weather service reported that 124 millimeters of rain fell in the area on Friday, most of it within a 1-hour period. Such a concentration of rain occurs only once every 30 years. In the southeastern Swiss town of Missax in the Graubünden region, also known as Grisons, the body of a man was discovered after 3 people went missing due to severe flooding. A massive thunderstorm on Friday night caused rivers to overflow, flooding streets and forcing the evacuation of several dozen residents. Initially, 4 people were reported missing, but a woman was later found under rocks and taken to a hospital in Lugano. The 3 individuals were likely at home when floodwaters swept away 3 houses and 3 vehicles, police said. Further west, the Alpine resort town of Zermatt has been cut off by floodwaters. Footage from Zermatt, located at the base of the iconic Matterhorn mountain, showed torrents of water flooding the streets on Friday. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more daily videos. Goodbye.